Hello and welcome to your GK class, dear students. So today we are into the almost last topic of your UT1 syllabus, page number 305 and 306. There are some abbreviations, short forms given. So we will be discussing those short forms today. Okay, we are not going to discuss each and every short form. We will be discussing only few, the important ones. Okay, which are having some things to be discussed. Fine. So starting from A on the page number 305, on 306 it ends up to letter M. In the initial phase we will discuss up to C, then we'll see that how much is to be left out to discussed. Starting from A, the first term which I have sorted out from your book is ABM. It's anti-ballistic missile, a thing used for a war purpose. AD is a common abbreviation which is used in the dates. That is Anno Domini. You might have seen in your history book. Then AHVS, it's Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Science, a medical science which is being learned for taking care of animals and other things. ASLV, it's Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle, which is again used for, you know, rocket science and the things which are going into the space. Archaeological Survey of India, it's an organization by the name of ASI. This organization looks after the, uh, you know, cultural and heritage sites at the various places in India. Fine, and it do the surveys also of the important places. ATM, the machine which gives us cash, automated teller machine. There is nowhere M doesn't stand for money. It's machine. Okay, automated teller machine. You might have seen in the banks the person who gives cash to us, yeah, who deposits cash is usually his designation is termed as teller. Okay, the person who collects the cash in the bank. Okay, now coming to the letter B, it's BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. As we have already discussed in our previous classes, Bhabha was a renowned scientist, atomic scientist. On his name, this research center is there. Fine. Uh, then BC, before Christ. Okay, it's again a timeline abbreviation for it is used for the years which were long year ago before the birth of Jesus Christ. Then the next term it's BOS, Bharat Operating System Solutions. Fine, Bharat Operating System Solution. Then it's CAA, it's Civil Aviation Authority, which take care of the flights. Okay, the aeroplanes which are flying in airspace. Fine, these are being controlled by CA. Then CAG, Controller and Auditor General of its term used for India, but though the I word or India is not there, it's Controller and Auditor General of Indian term. Fine, which take cares about the all the major income sources, the money which have been saved by a person. Then again, the C continues. There are two, three general terms. I have not written the full abbreviation. I will just tell you verbally. CBI stands for Central Bureau of Investigation. This agency is responsible for the investigation. Okay, if something goes wrong, there is a major case, and the investigation is not carried out by the state police, then it is being done by CBI. CID stands for uh, Cent Central Investigation Department. Okay, Central Investigation Department. Fine. Then it comes to CISF. CISF, it's a paramilitary which takes care about the you know uh, important government institutes and other PSUs. Fine. So CSIR, the CISF, the meaning of CISF, the full form of CISF, Central Industrial Security Force. Okay, it's a paramilitary force. Then CSIR, it stands for Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Then CVC, uh, Central Vigilance Commission. Okay, Vigilance Commission is the commission which takes care about the, fair working of the people, those who are working in their departments, having a responsibility on their shoulders that they should not be corrupt and they should be loyal and honest to their working. For that, the Vigilance Commission has been set up. We will be continuing the other alphabets in the same video. Okay, after C, let's see what are the alphabets further. Okay, class, let's continue with our further abbreviations. Now we are coming to letter D. In D, we have selected few important terms, that is DAVP, Director of Advertisement, Advertising and Virtual Publicity. These organization deals with in the advertisement that is being given in the print media and other publicity medias, advertisement media. Then it's DDT, dichloro trichloroethane. It's a type of a chemical. It is being sprayed in the agriculture field as an different purposes, insecticides or pesticides. Then DLF you might have heard. It's a uh, organization which is a developer company near to Gurgaon. The full form of this DLF is Delhi Land and Finance. Okay, then there is a DRDO. It's a Defense Organization of India, Defense and Research Organization of India. Fine. DRDO. Its headquarters are based in New Delhi. It is responsible for the new innovations in our defense system, Defense and Research Development Organization. Like we have studied BARC. BARC is also having a same importance. BARC headquarters are located in Bombay. Okay, like we have discussed about this defense organization in our video, like CISF, okay, CID, Criminal Investigation Department, CBI. These are also supporting to our Indian defense system internally as well as externally, both ways. Fine. Then in letter E, it's EAS, Employee Assurance Scheme. Then it's ECT, Conclusive Therapy. Then there is another short form that is given as Exim Bank. It stands for Export and Import Bank. Then coming to letter F, the first one is FAO. It's Food and Agriculture Organization of India. Whatever being the products that are edible, yeah, whatever the research are being done in food and agriculture field. Then FEMA, for Foreign Exchange Management Act. It's a type of a rule. Then FICCI, Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Okay, so these are some organization. Let's see that we will be discussing further few alphabets so that the page will be covered, 306 will be covered up to more extent and you will have a better understanding. Okay, let's see. Okay, dear students, now we'll moving to our next alphabet after F, that's G. The in this scenario in this page we will be covering the alphabets up to M, but not maybe all in this video. We will try to cover I, J, K, L, M are also equally important. We will see that how will the discussion go on. G, in this some few words which I have selected to explain you. One of the word is Gandhi. This Gandhi is a surname of our you know father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. The full form says Green Action for National Dandi Heritage. Dandi word, it's related to Mahatma Gandhi ji. Dandi March, the historical march. The next one is GPS, Global Positioning System, which we use in vehicles and many other electronic devices to locate them. Okay. GSLV is again a term located to our satellite launch vehicle. It's Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, research related to space research. Okay, space science. GST is a tax which we pay for purchasing a good. It's a goods and service tax which we have to pay when we are purchasing any commodity. Now coming to H, in H we have selected HAC, Hindustan Aluminium Corporation, HAC. Then we have HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, which deals with the uh, aeronautics stands for aeroplane science. Okay, so they deal with the aeroplane manufacturing and making of those their parts. It is situated in Kanpur also. HYVS, it's high yield variety seeds. Okay, it's a science, biological science, which deals with the upgradation of a variety of seeds. So these are the abbreviations which we have discussed up to H. We will see if it's possible to contain the same video. We will discuss it further, else we will wind up it here only. Okay.